Hate is too great a burden to bear. It injures the hater more than it injures the hated. My humanity is bound up in yours, for we can only be human together. For to be free is not merely to cast off one's chains, but to live in a way that respects and enhances the freedom of others. We are the ones we've been waiting for. We are the change that we seek. I knew then and I know now, when it comes to justice, there is no easy way to get it. If they don't give you a seat at the table, bring a folding chair. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. The time is always right to do what is right. When we are talking about diversity, it's not a box to check. It is a reality that should be deeply felt and held and valued by all of us. If you judge people, you have no time to love them. Freedom is never given, it is won. Diversity is not about how we differ. Diversity is about embracing one another's uniqueness. Do the best you can until you know better. Then when you know better, do better. Wrong is wrong, no matter who does it or says it. Never underestimate the power of dreams and the influence of the human spirit. The most common way people give up their power is by thinking they don't have any. If everything was perfect, you would never learn and you would never grow. The way to right wrongs is to turn the light of truth upon them. The price of hating other human beings is loving oneself less. Human salvation lies in the hands of the creatively maladjusted. Make a difference about something other than yourselves. If you enjoyed the quotes, please like the video, share and subscribe.